There's the devil and there's the bowl. Oh, it's video.
Hello to all our family, friends, and subscribers. This video highlights our trip to the Twin Falls, Idaho and Hagerman Valley area.
4,000 only. The population is 4,122.
Downtown Behoul, Idaho. Leaving Behoul and heading for Hagerman.
They're beautiful. Hello everyone. So we are on our way to Hagerman to visit my husband's dad and birth. Yes. And we will go to see the hot springs here in Idaho. And I've seen waterfalls. What do you call that waterfalls that I saw?
Thousand Springs.
Thousand Springs. Yeah, but they're not thousands, but you know, it's called thousands, even if it's not 1,000. Why is the people called So yeah, we are almost there. And I'm somewhat hungry. Yeah, I want to eat fish, but I'm not quite sure if we can find fish here.
Population 870.
Really?
It's almost as small as hands.
872 only.
Yeah.
If you live here, it's 874. They're always even. Oh,
The selfie? It's probably watercress. We wound up spending a few weeks there at my dad's place while waiting for our truck to be repaired. We're going through the power plant.
I see. Okay.
Hello.
Devil's Wash Bowl. Oh, this is the Devil's Wash Bowl. There's the devil and there's the bowl. Hello everyone.
really enjoyed spending time in Twin Falls. We even visited the small house where I used to live, where I ran my weekly newspaper business back in the day. Big sign on the house that says Magic Dad.
It's so cute.
Twin Falls has changed a lot since my youth. It's bigger and more crowded, but it's still really a nice place. We definitely enjoyed visiting Twin Falls, Idaho. The Hagerman Valley is very beautiful. We were able to visit some of the fish hatcheries and waterfalls while we toured the area. As it turned out, the high-pitched whine that we had been hearing was caused by bad bearings in our differential. We were lucky to have made it as far as we did. After the rear differential was fixed, our mechanic tackled the problems with the engine. We had experienced bucking and missing all during our trip through Utah. The major problem was the high-pressure oil pump. It was replaced, and he found numerous other small problems which were addressed and repaired. Fixing our truck was not cheap, but now we have confidence in it that it will continue to run well.
Oh, it's video. Hello. There's a river right here. Ta-da! And there's like a power plant like that. And there's my husband. Ta-da! It's a bit hot today. My brother-in-law Gordon is fly fishing.
Hello everybody, we're on our way back to my dad's place in Hagerman. We just picked up the truck from the mechanic, and it's running pretty well now. Don't jinx it.
Yeah, don't jinx it, Daddy.
And, it was quite expensive to fix, but I think if we don't have any more trouble with it, it'll be worth it. So anyway, this should be the start of our trouble-free traveling now, hopefully. Thanks for coming along.
Thank you.
All right.
Hello everyone. So today we are preparing our truck and camper because tomorrow we'll be hitting the road. Yes, Daddy?
Yes, we're hitting the road tomorrow.
Yeah, because our truck is already fixed and we have to make sure that the truck is not, running rough. So
It's running rough now. It's got a rough idle.
I see. So it's running rough now.
Yeah.
We just got the truck yesterday, so I think we need to sell the truck. Whoever wants this truck, I'm not quite sure if somebody might want this truck.
Okay, here's the truck with the camper on it, ready to go. Worked real hard today, washed the truck, got the camper mounted. Everything's buttoned up and tied down for in the morning. All right, and soon we'll be on that road. And thanks for coming along with us. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice to be back on the road again. Once our truck was finally finished, we mounted up the camper and prepared for the next part of our journey. Thanks for coming along with us. We really appreciate it. So until next time, keep it real.